If you're facing the Google Drive error, sorry, you can't view or download this file at this time, here's how you can fix it. First, make sure you're logged in to your Google account. Then open the Google Drive link. In the top right corner, click on File, and then select Add to Start. Now, open the Google Drive homepage. Click on the New button and select New Folder. Enter a folder name and click Create. Once the folder is created, open the Start tab. Find the file. Click the three dots next to it and select Organize. Then choose Add Shortcut to Drive. Click Add. Navigate to My Drive and select the folder you just created. As you can see, the file now appears inside that folder. Finally, right-click the folder and click the download icon. Google Drive will create a zip file, and your file should download successfully without showing the error. That's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.